Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand today announced that in the upcoming 2026-27 state budget, a provision has been made to provide financial assistance to 3.5 lakh destitute women in Manipur with an allocation of 350 crore rupees. The announcement was made by the Chief Minister at the International Women's Day 2026 event organized by Social Welfare Department at the City Convention Center. The program was held under the theme Rights, Justice, Action for all women and girls. Home Minister Govindas Konthojam, Minister for Art and Culture Khuraijam Lokain, Nauria Pakanglakpa AC, MLA Soraisam KB and Chief Secretary Punit Kumar Goel were present at the event. During the celebration, appreciation certificates were awarded to several individuals and teams for their contributions, including Padma Shri awardee Namairapam Kunjarani, folk singer Manka Mayang Lambam, district level Women Helpline number 181 teams, one-stop centers across districts and workers involved in Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao campaign. Speaking on the occasion, Chief Minister Yumnam Khemchand Singh stated that the 2026-27 budget includes this specific provision for destitute women. He emphasized that even in difficult circumstances, women have played a crucial role in various sectors. He highlighted how women in Manipur have significantly contributed to strengthening the state's economy, addressing political issues and bringing progress. The Chief Minister further noted that many women, through their hard work and self-reliance, have supported their families, educated their children by weaving and selling traditional clothing, and enabled them to become doctors and government officials. He concluded by expressing hope and prayers to God that International Women's Day continues to inspire recognition of women's strength without any sense of regret or limitation, and that women keep progressing and achieving greater empowerment.
Manipur इतिहास की ताकत क्या था? Manipur की इमारतें हमारी नसीबी स्टेज की Manipur की इज्जत से मायने से ताकत क्या थी? Manipur economy दा हमारी Manipur की political crisis की इशू क्या था? मतीन चावल पांगल लाई रुपये मना हिंजांग दी उलसु नत्रगा यूंग सारसु मसादु थागा सेमगा डॉक्टर वेन्नो नंबा सरकार के सोबत थबक पाव तो हन्नो नंबा तो भाई मासी कया दु मसा सिंह दिले होलिसी लोयो लेना अने थमदनी सिंह इंटरनेशनल वुमेन डे ताबन मितसिदा इरान सिना सोन रबा मणिपुरी इमा इवेंट सिंह सनिजे सिंह अदुकी मते इकोनॉमी हाइबताई ओआबा थेनबा मतमनी अदुना हंदकी लाइबा बजेट असिदा मा इवेंट सनिजे हाइताई लाख अहुंगा सिंगाखै दा कानबा पिनबा budgetary provision लेने एकोइना सेंट्रल चचल मतमदा हाइबा सनिजे मा इवेंट सिंह सिगी अवाबसी खरदा सोइ कोंगबा होय हंदकी सही सिगी 2026-27 की 350 crore हाबसरे तागसरी